If you are someone who want to generate short videos, stories, turn long videos to short clips to grow your channel or increase the social media presence, then this video is for you. Using the AI tool ShortAI, you can do all these things, but today I will be focusing on how to create short stories like motivational, historical, bedtime stories and others. You can choose from a variety of background effects, language of your choice, auto-generated subtitles, and voice that suits your needs. At last, you will see the examples of the video stories generated using this tool. Let's quickly see how you can do that. Here, I have generated a short kids story using ChatGPT that I will be using to generate a visual story using ShortAI. Next, go to ShortAI website and choose AI story video under create option. Here, I will paste the story generated using ChatGPT. You can also provide a video intro hook and call to action if you are a content creator. Click on next where you can choose the aspect ratio of the video. You can also choose a video art style as per your interest. Next, choose the caption type and effect that you like. Captions will be automatically added to the video and plays along with the audio. Next, select the voice of interest, male or female, and the age group. Once this is done, click on generate video, which might take a couple of minutes. Once ready, you can directly post the video on your social media platform or download it. The best buying link for the tool is given in the description. Now let's see some of the short video stories I have generated using ShortAI.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a little girl named Mira who loved looking at the moon every night. She believed the moon was not just a ball of light, but a magical friend who listened to children's wishes. One night, Mira whispered, "Dear moon, my brother is sick. Please make him smile again." She closed her eyes and hoped. The next morning, her brother laughed for the first time in days. He felt better. "Thank you, moon," she giggled. Word spread quick. Today I will tell you a story every research student can relate to. Ria had been working on her PhD for nearly 4 years. Her research was solid, her experiments successful. But the thesis, that blank Word document, haunted her. Every day she'd sit, type a few lines, delete them, and spiral into self-doubt. What if it's not good enough? What if I fail now? One evening she called her professor in tears. He listened, then said something simple. "You're not writing to him." एक बार की बात है, एक छोटा बच्चा था मोनू. वो बहुत शरारती था, लेकिन उसका मन बहुत प्यारा था. रोज रात को जब सब सो जाते, मोनू छत पर जाकर चांद को देखता और धीरे से कहता, "चंदा मामा, आज कुछ कहानी सुनाओ." एक रात चंदा मामा सच में मुस्कुराए और बोले, "ठीक है मोनू, आज मैं तुम्हें अपनी कहानी सुनाता हूँ." चंदा मामा ने बताया कि वो दिन में सूरज से मिलते हैं और रात को धरती के बच्चों को देखने आते हैं. "जब तुम सोते हो, मैं तुम्हारे सपनों की रखवाली करता हूँ."